what's up. So in the last two videos we checked 6 Louis Vuitton filters. As you can see, if you missed it, it's in my highlight. First video, the second video. This was the first filter, second filter, this was the third filter, this was the fourth one, this was the fifth one, and this was the sixth one. I find 4 more, so let's go and check these 4 filters. Okay, this is the first one. This is by Call Me Kana. Let's go to our profile. Okay, this one. You can go to our profile and you can get this one. Let's go and check the second one. This is the second one. This is by BBE. Let's go to our profile. Okay, actually she's having 2. This is the first one and this is the second one. Okay, and this one. Let's go back. So the second one and the third one is by BB. You can go to our profile and you can get that. And this is the fourth one. This is by Alexandra Issa. Let's go to our profile. Okay guys, so that's it. These are the 4 Louis Vuitton filters. So you can go to their profile and you can get this filter, or I'll keep them in my highlights. You can get it from my highlights. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.